Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Here is the dried results of the painting you're going to see in the video today. It is a swipe and spin, and I have used these colors before. For those of you that have followed me for a while and have seen my older videos, you know that I love browns and golds. And that is what I used here. I also added some copper to give it even more of a metallic shine. And I'm really loving how this turned out. I usually do these swipe and spins on a longer, more rectangular canvas, but I wanted to try something different, so I tried this 12 by 12 inch square canvas, and yeah, really liking how it turned out. As usual, my formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. This painting is also for sale in my Etsy shop. I will leave a link to that in the description box as well. And also for a holiday sale, I am running a 20% off sale in my Etsy shop on all of my paintings and all of my prints. So if you guys are interested in purchasing something, now would be a great time. And I believe that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.